Good morning and welcome back to Fat Rob's Fishing. It's Sunday morning. It's a little past 5 in the morning. I got the truck loaded up and we're going to make the 2-hour adventure and do some fishing in East Texas. We're going to go meet Butch and Kyle out there and we're going to do some kayak fishing. Hopefully we're going to catch some nice fish today. It's supposed to be beautiful weather. So let's get on the highway. Let's go catch some fish.
It's 8 a.m. Made it out on the water. 4 of us today. We got 4 of us. We got myself, Kyle, Butch, Qual. Should be a fun day on the water. First mishap of the trip is already done. I was casting the A-rig. So I was casting the A-rig a second ago, and my braid snapped, and I lost it. One. That's right. First bass of the day. This is the size of bass of my buddy Johnny Quest catches. Looks like his PB right there. Ain't that right, Johnny? Here, I'm gonna move closer to the camera for you. There you go. Fish number 2. Well, guys, we've been out here since. We've been out fishing since about 8 a.m. It's about to be 3 p.m. I've only caught 2 fish. Granted, it's a new lake for me. I've never fished it before. But yeah, thinking hunger's starting to set in. I think I'm about to get it wrapped up. Start heading back towards the boat ramp.